Hi guys, it's Lucy from Lula Rocks. I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you my bullet journal spread for February using my new sticker sheets. And my sticker sheets actually now come in like a monthly bullet journal box. And I'm hoping to actually set it up as a subscription box going forward. I am gonna take you through how you can use the stickers, what stickers there are, and hopefully it's going to be really easy, because let's be honest, we don't always have loads of time to be setting up our bullet journals. And I love making my bullet journal all fancy, but sometimes I just do not have the time. So if you're anything like me and you need something to help you, you know, make your bullet journal just a bit easier, take a little bit less time, then maybe these stickers would help, and maybe this video will help. So if you want to see more videos like this, I would love you to give this video a like, and if you could subscribe to me, that would be amazing. So I'm going to walk you through the stickers that you get and how they kind of all work, how I'm going to use them in my bullet journal, and hopefully this video will just be really helpful for you. So I will leave a link in the description to my Bujo boxes, because I do have a few left for February, and if you are in the UK, you could still get it in time for February to start. So let's get to it. So today I'm going to be setting up my bullet journal for February using the February Bujo Box stickers and washi tape. Okay, so on this sticker sheet, you can see I've got a February header, I've got habit tracker, gratitude, budget, and then lots of little mini headers that can be used as well. So I'm going to begin with my February page. So I think I'm going to go for a sticker at the top. Ooh. Yeah, like that. Let's write in the days. So I'm going to start by putting the numbers in. I always actually do my dates backwards. I start from the bottom of the page and work up, and I kind of do one digit and then I fill in the rest. I don't know why, I just started doing it and I found that it's the best way that works for me. The great things about these sheets is that they're actually small enough to fit in like an A5 planner, and that's any A5 planner. I actually use a Leuchtturm 1917 dotted A5 journal, and these come with like a little pocket at the back, which is handy, and yeah, you can keep your sticker sheets in there. So I've actually got some of the sticker sheets which I've been using for this month in there. Okay, back to the February page. So yeah, I think I am going to use one of these strips. I think I'm going to go for this kind of ombre one. Oh, that looks cute. Let's use this pink pen. I'm going to draw some hearts. So my bullet journal box for February is heart theme. You guessed it, because it's Valentine's Day. And each month I'd love to do a different design, different theme, not necessarily always relating to a holiday that's in that month or anything. I mean, the design I've chosen this time, so I've done like this little kind of pattern. It's got like little hearts and shapes in. Let's write in the days. So in theory, the 28th should be a Thursday. Let's just double check that on my calendar. Yes, it is. Good work, Lucy. Good bloody work. So what I'm going to do is put in some to-do boxes or check boxes. So I use this page basically to do, it's kind of like a little mini calendar diary thing. So I'll put in any events or anything I need to do by certain days, and then I have my little check boxes, and I'll mark them off once that day is done. I'm going to use this pen. Okay, so that is February's page set up. So we've got Valentine's Day and my brother's birthday. I write any events that are going on, and then yeah, I colour the box in once that day is done. Page 2 of my bullet journal. Let's move this over so you can see it a bit better. Is my to-do list. Now on my sticker sheet I have done 5 small to-do lists. They weren't planned for there, they were planned for a weekly to-do list, but I like to do a monthly one as well. So I'm going to hand write that in. So I'm going to use my Kelly Creates pens. So this is a medium one. And it's just a brush pen. I like to do my headers about 4 boxes tall. These pens are so nice to write with. They're not great on every paper type. They can go a little bit kind of scratchy. So if you're using kind of a nice smooth paper, it's all good. But anything with a rough texture, they don't really like. Each Bujo box also gets washi tape. So this is the one that I am gonna use. And I am gonna cut that to a size roughly. So some months I plan on putting washi tapes in, some months I plan on putting in nice pens instead. So I've just cut a strip, it's not gonna go the whole way across, but I do love a washi tape. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, so it's all things pink. And I'm just gonna do a load of check boxes like I did on this side. Let's see if I can actually do this bullet journal spread without making any mistakes. Next page that I personally like to have in my setup is a habit tracker. This is super easy, my god. So this is the first time I've made kind of all the monthly big headers. So again, I need 28 days written down the side. The thing is if you do make a mistake in your bullet journal, it's not the end of the world, and you know, we can't all be perfect all the time. If you make a mistake, you just got to try and fix it, fudge it as best you can. It's just kind of, it's just how it works really. So for my habit tracker, what I tend to do normally is put the days and the dates down the side, and then up here I write down good habits that I want to try and achieve each day, such as drinking enough water or doing exercise or getting up at 5:30. But what I've actually done for my bullet journal box is I've actually got these little glass stickers for drinking enough water. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in here yet. I'm going to leave the second one blank because I'm not sure if I actually want to do that. What have we got? Okay, so have I made a sale? Have I posted to Instagram? Have I worked on Lula Rocks, which most days does get filled in. Okay, so the next one is a mood tracker. Now, I don't have any stickers for mood tracker. Going forward, I would really love to do like one giant sticker each month with a different mood tracker that you can colour in. In fact, actually, I'm gonna add some washi tape. Okay, so I'm just gonna pen in mood tracker. So again, about 4 squares down I like to do. Oh, that went wrong. See, this is what happens. This is what I mean. Mistakes are made. That should have been a nice smooth line, but it wasn't. Okay, so I'm going to draw something in there a little later on. I might film that separately. So these are the 4 main pages that I like to have at the beginning of my bullet journal. So your monthly overview, my to-do list, my habit tracker, and then a mood tracker. I'll give you an example of my mood tracker. So that was my Halloween mood tracker. And I just colour in each section depending on what my mood was. So yeah, it's quite fun. So it takes a little while. So like I said, I'm not going to do that right now. I am going to put some little stickers on here though. So I put these little miscellaneous stickers in the sheet so that you can just kind of pop them in. Okay, so I'm going to set up the first week-ish of February. I'm not going to do the whole week because I'm a bit funny about when I want my days to start. And the 1st of February is a Friday. And I don't want it to start on Friday really the whole way through the month. I think I'll do my monthly overview using this sticker here. And then go from there. So this starts, what did I say, Friday. So on every kind of weekly planner sticker sheet, there are 5 sets of stickers. I think it's really difficult sometimes to try and set it all out properly, especially if you are a little bit lazy like me and cannot be bothered to count the squares. But we'll do our best. Okay, so Friday is the 1st. Now, normally I draw some kind of divider in, so you can see I put kind of boxes around, not very tidy. I am thinking that I will use a divider in the middle. Little divider there. And I might draw some lines down the middle. Not going to use a ruler for this big chisel tip, so this is going to be a messy line. I apologise in advance, but I don't want to ruin it, so I'm just going to do like... The thing is like, Paul always says to me, yeah, but your straight lines are really neat. I'm like, really? Have you seen them? Have you seen them? Have you actually looked? Because it's not the case, I can assure you. And then I'm also going to do my check boxes in colours. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 sections. I'm going to do meal plan, I'm going to do mini to-do list. Oh no, I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to guess. Let's wing it. I'm going to go there. And then I'm going to have notes down the bottom. There, so what do you think? Shall I add some washi tape? I think I should, because washi tape is the best. Try to do it without blocking you. Ooh, move the camera, man down. Let's try it like this. So now I've got my little sections for meal plan, to do, and notes. So I think I'm going to go back through and add some little hearts. I've also got these little hearts and sparkles and things. There's quite a lot in there. So let's put, let's do a big heart here on my to-do list. And I'm going to put a little heart by Valentine's Day, because it's cute. I feel like my camera's still not right. I wonder what I should do for my mood tracker. If you've got any ideas for what I should do for my mood tracker, please, please, please leave me a comment below with your suggestions, because I need some help. Because I have no idea, other than drawing a load of hearts, which I mean, yeah, would be really cool, but I feel like it could be different to that. So yeah, I feel like it could be better. So yeah, hit me up, let me know. Okay guys, so that's my video done. my Bujo setup for February. It was super easy and pretty damn quick, I've got to say. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the stickers and the washi tape. Ooh, that washi tape was good. It was nice to work with, I have to say. I'm sorry it's a bit dark. I'm having some issues with my camera. And by issues, I mean I haven't taken the time to learn how to actually set it all up properly and use it properly. So it's my own fault, let's be honest. If you do want to grab a box for yourself, I'll put a link below in the description. And if you could give me any ideas on how to set up my mood tracker, what to draw, then please leave a comment, because I really am stuck for February. So yeah, give me some ideas, and hopefully I will see you soon in the next video. Thanks, bye.